Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Siri not working issue on your iPhone after updating your device to the latest version of iOS 18. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. Our first step is to check your internet connection. So guys, you have to make sure that your internet connection is working properly, and from here that you have to simply again open settings and make sure that you are not connected any VPN. So guys, if you are connected any VPN, then simply disconnect it. After doing this, then you have to just simply scroll down and then tap on Siri and search, and tap on here listen for, and make sure that your Siri or Hey Siri is enabled. If it is enabled, then simply turn it off and again turn it on. After doing this, then you have to just simply close this page and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply open settings again, scroll down and then tap on general, and here tap on language and region, and you have to make sure that your language and region is selected correctly. After doing this, then you have to just simply restart your device for one time. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve many software glitches. After trying all of these steps and you are still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to reset all settings. Resetting all settings will reset your all settings. So guys, for that you have to just simply open settings, scroll down and then tap on journal, and from here guys scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on your reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your setting for one time. And after this, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.